In this video, we will show you how to create several rotated copies and how to edit them all. Let's see how this works. First of all, make sure that the Add New Object as Clones option is enabled before you start creating the copies. When this option is enabled, the copies that you create are marked as clones of the original. This means that if you edit the shape of any of the clones, then all of them will be altered to match the edited one. For the scope of this demonstration, we will move the rotation center of the object. If you place the mouse over any of the corners, you shall see a rotation handle. You can freely rotate the object, or you can hold the Ctrl key down to snap the rotation on every 22.5 degrees. If you press the D key before releasing the mouse, a rotated duplicate is created. By using the Repeat Last Transform option or the Ctrl key along with the R key from your keyboard as shortcut, you can create more rotated copies. As you can see, we've just created this beautiful pattern simply by repeating and rotating one object. You can even improve the pattern if you start the node editor to edit the shape of any clone. When you edit the shape of a clone, all others are updated as well. This minimizes your work, as you can alter multiple objects at the same time without having to repeat the same procedure again and again.